Dear Mother Nature, humans love you, adore you. You have sheltered us, given us food, water, and various resources. But I have to tell you one little thing. Please don't be mad. We love you, but not enough to stop polluting. We love you, but not enough to save you. We love you. That's all that matters, right?
Dear Mother Nature, you have done so much for us, but we threw it all away to satisfy our selfish, unnecessary needs. I know that the 19th century mankind took the wrong path when they invented machines and mechanization, but they didn't realize the negative impact it could have on planet Earth. Or did they? Please don't be disappointed in humankind, even though we just talk a lot about existing ecological problems, but still hesitate to solve them. I once had a scary dream about how you were gone. Lakes were now just dry lake beds, forests were now just deserts, and I could hear animals crying for help. I felt like I was suffocating. My lungs were slowly collapsing. Even though I woke up, I realized that soon this may become a reality. We don't have much time. Scientists claim that humankind has only around 10 years till global warming will surpass 1.5 Celsius, leading to irreversible loss of the most fragile ecosystems.
Dear Mother Nature, I hope you find peace one day by finally enjoying warm sunshine, listening to birds chirping, inhaling fresh, clean air instead of fighting against humankind. I can't make any promises, and I may not be your knight in shining armor, but slowly, step by step, people are standing up and learning more about your suffering. Please, hold tight and be hopeful. Be hopeful that one day we will have a green future.